Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm your friend Pallavi from Find Inspiration. As the festivals are arriving, all might have started decorating their home. In today's video, we will see how to make this beautiful festival decor wall hanging. If you are new to my channel and you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell button to get the notification. So without any further delay, let's start our video. Here I have taken a cardboard piece. I have taken two pieces and joined together, and I have covered the edges using masking tape. To make it strong, I have used a mixture of POP glue and water. So once it is dried, here I am going to make some sketches on this. I have taken a square cardboard which measures around 9 cm. Now let's start coloring it. Color is completely optional. You can choose any color of your choice. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic colors to paint the cardboard. So after coloring, both the cardboards looks like this. Once it is dried, now it's time to make some detailing on this cardboard. So here I have taken some mirrors and I will stick it to the edges of this cardboard using Fevicol glue. I have purchased these mirrors from a local craft shop. You can choose size and shape according to your choice. Let's stick the mirror all around the cardboard. These mirrors give a very beautiful look for your DIY decor. Let's repeat the same on the other cardboard. So once the sticking is done, we will leave it to dry. So for more detailing, here I am using gold metallic 3D outliner. Basically here I am going to make this Shubh Labh wall hanging. So I am writing Shubh in one board and Labh in other. So here I am using the same 3D outliner to give more detailing. The 3D outliners are available in different colors. You can choose any color of your choice. So these outliners are very easy to use and they give a 3D look for your work. Here I am sharing picture of Shubh Labh wall hanging which I did last year. If you have not yet watched, I will share the link in the description box. You can check there. So here you can see that I am using blue color 3D outliner to make the lines. And here I am using pearl metallic color and using a red color I am making some small dots all around this, and I am going to repeat the same procedure for the other one also. Let's keep it for drying. Let's move to the second part of this DIY. And now I am using two old CDs and I am giving a base coat of gesso. So once it is dried, I'll start coloring this. And here also the color is completely optional. You can take any color of your choice or you can even do the same color as I am doing. So blend the colors properly so that you get a nice shading. And now here I am using these Ganapati embellishments. Usually you get this type of embellishment on an invitation card. And I keep on collecting them. And now I am going to use the same to decorate this CD. I will stick it to the CD using Fevicol glue. As both of them are in a golden color, I am not going to paint them once again. Now again I am using some mirrors and I will decorate this CD according to my choice. To stick these mirrors I am using white glue. So let's stick the mirror all around the CD. And now I am using this 3D outliner to give some more detailing. So let's make some pom-poms. So for that here I am using this fork. For that you have to place a small piece of thread in between the teeth of the fork. Then wind the thread around the fork. Take around 40 to 50 rounds. Then tie the thread in between and then remove it from the fork. So now we have to cut the edges of the fork and then make it even by cutting the extra threads. So I made around 4 pom-poms and I am taking some beads also along with this. So first I am going to tie a bell at the one end of the thread, and then by taking a needle I'll just insert some pom-poms and beads according to my choice. Here I am using some color beads, golden beads and pearl beads. So here I am finished with one set, and now again I am adding some beads and pom-poms. So now our latkans are ready. So let's hang it with the cardboard. So here you can see I have divided the beads. So in between I am applying white glue. Then I'll place a piece of paper so that the thread will not slip from its side. So again apply some glue on CD. Fix the thread so that you get a loop to hang it. So our Shubh Labh wall hanging is ready. So here comes the final reveal. So it's not necessary to buy everything to decorate your home. You can do such a simple DIY by which you can make your home beautiful during this festival. If you like this video, then click the like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So stay tuned with me as I am going to post some more festival decor DIY videos. So see you soon with one more DIY video.